Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a DIY DIQ ugly Christmas sweater tutorial. This is a super quick, super easy solution for anyone who doesn't feel like they're that creative or just doesn't have the time to put together a super ugly Christmas sweater for the parties and work events that they're going to attend. This took less than 5 minutes and it looks like it took some effort, which is the goal. I don't think it's going to win any contests, but it will look like you're participating, and that is what we're aiming for. So if this is something that you want to add to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used green and red glitter glue and then one red ribbon. So my main focus is going to be just decorating this part of the sweater with the glitter glue. Okay, so I'm going to get started with filling in this Grinch face with the glitter glue, and I'll show you my progress. So this is the progress so far, and the Grinch's face is a little sparkly. I don't really know if you can see it so well on camera. But I've just been adding the glue and spreading it with the toothpick. I'm going to keep going and show you the final result. As a reminder, this is what the sweater looked like before. This is the final result. I really like how this turned out, and I liked it even better after I wore it because I received a lot of compliments. The glitter glue added a level of customization to it, and it matched really well with the glittery bow. I ended up safety pinning the bow onto the sweater, and it stayed on all day. And this is just a quick 5 to 10 minute option if you don't have a lot of time to put together a sweater, but you still want to participate. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.